Enjin is the first gaming-based crypto asset to appear on the crypto market. Even though there are now many other types of gaming tokens, Enjin still maintains its prestige to this day. The next question is how well Enjin will perform throughout 2022 and the further years will Enjin 10x very soon. The good news is we have gathered the information for you in this video. Watch the entire video till Enjin price predictions by experts to get your question answered. But before that, welcome back to your channel Crypto World, where you'll get all the crypto knowledge. And yes, to remember that this video is not financial advice, so do your research before investing anywhere. So without any further delay, let's get started. What is Enjin? Enjin is a cryptocurrency launched in 2017 by the company Enjin. Enjin Coin is an ERC20 compatible token, which means you can send and receive it using an Ethereum wallet. But the technology behind Enjin does more than just handle that single currency. Enjin is designed to integrate with games. You can use Enjin Coin as a currency and use the Enjin wallet to buy, sell, and trade NFTs. For example, MMORPG players may buy an item in Enjin usable across multiple games and easily tradable or sellable in an online marketplace. The company behind Enjin is based in Singapore and works with companies to implement their own solutions on the Enjin platform. Special features of Enjin. Many cryptocurrencies are simply a currency, used similar to a dollar or gold brick to transact or hold value. Enjin Coin is similarly tradable, but it has a more focused use case for games, NFTs, and other assets and applications on its platform. 23. Items listed for sale in the Enjin marketplace are usable in games like Lost Relics and Spirit Clash. You'll need ENJ to transfer items to other players. That makes it more viable than some competing currencies such as Dogecoin that don't have a built-in use. So now let's see Enjin's price movements. Enjin Coin made a lot of progress in 2021 from its original price of $0.13 in January, rising to an all-time high of $4.82 at the end of November. Enjin Coin prices began to experience a significant increase in early March 2021 when Huobi announced to enable ENG staking. The event started on 15 March 2021 and lasted for 2 days. Users who deposited and staked ENG tokens had the opportunity to get rewards up to 43,000 ENJ. ENG briefly fell below the $1 mark in May 2021, but its engagement experiments managed to slowly push the price up. Enjin delivered as many as 50,000 NFTs via digital advertisements and social media posts. This represents a new way for them to interact with potential users. ENG coin price was nearly $2 when the experiment was launched. However, the price immediately fell the next day and over the next few months. At the end of August 2021, Enjin revealed that it would collaborate with Blockster, a crypto-based social network. According to Blockster's public launch, Enjin awarded up to 400,000 NFTs to early Blockster users. In the same month, Enjin made a new announcement that Enjin Coin was now available for trading on the Bitstamp exchange. After the news, the price of ENJ jumped to $2.16 on 23 August 2021. The Enjin price managed to break through the $3 mark again in November and hit a new high. On 25 November 2021, Enjin Coin hit an all-time high of $4.85, but in early December, Enjin closed the year at $3.54. As of 2 September 2022, the current price of Enjin Coin is $0.5195. Now we will see Enjin's price prediction to actually clay that will Enjin 10x soon or not. Enjin Coin price prediction for 2022. The digital asset had commenced the year 2022 with a price tag of $2,586. ENG's price slipped through the 200 DMA owing to the market crash on the 5th of January. The altcoin managed to flip the bottom at $2.13 by surging close to 12% round the clock. Going forward, by the 24th of January, turbulence in the crypto market led to ENG's price to fall by 46.92%. While an uptrend took the price to $2,169 by the 9th of February. Economic turmoil resulting from factors such as geopolitical tensions and inflation rates, amongst others, dragged the price to $1,401. Later, a steady ascent helped the altcoin close its quarterly trade at $1,945. Although the Enjin coin had a heroic climb to $1,947 by the 1st of April. However, the digital token could not withstand to the havoc in the industry. The Erkin rule of bears led to the digital asset parting ways with 80% of its gains. Successively, a steady climb has landed ENG's price at the $0.643 milestone. ENG's price forecast for 2023. The coin might soar if the community concentrates on reducing the transaction fees. Also, with the wide vogue of the Enjin smart wallet, the coin may strike a high at $1,812 with further developments. Conversely, lower TPS may act as a setback, pulling the coin to a minimum of $0.96 by the end of 2023, which could further seek supplements if the market crashes again due to debates about PAVO. If this does not happen, the average figures by the end of 2023 seem reasonable and may strike at $1,394. Price forecast of Enjin coin for 2024. The concentration of Enjin's volumes is fairly held by whales, retailers, and investors, which is an overwhelming sight for the community, while the whales hold the lion's share at 44.97%. Retailers are not far behind at 34.56%, followed by investors with a share of 20.47%. Successively, the transaction demographics between the West and the East are almost even at 49% and 51%. Therefore, faster global adoption could push the ENJ price to a maximum of $2,695. On the contrary, things going in favor of the bears could result in a slip down to $1,476. Conversely, the average price could settle at $2,062. Enjin coin price prediction for 2025. By the next 3 years, Enjing might become the top gaming crypto available in the market and might enter the top 30 cryptocurrencies list. If the network works on an instant transaction system, then it may blow a high of $4,173. Contrarily, the Enjing coin might trade at $3,164 with not many developments. That being said, if new regulations pop up in the coming years, the coin may entangle and drop even to $2,180. So finally concluded call on the question, will Enjin 10x Sumin is? The Enjin coin price prediction according to Wallet Investor says Enjin coin price will cross US $1 in November 2022 and end the year at US $1.23, while in the next 5 years, ENJ will be worth US $4.33. PricePrediction.net also believes that the ENJ price will reach an average of US $2.27 in 2025. The Enjin coin ENJ price prediction for 2030 is at an average price of US $13.73 and US $21.15 in 2031. Meanwhile, based on the predictions forecasted by Gov Capital, ENJ price is predicted to reach US $2.4 in 2023 and US $7.94 at the end of 2025. However, some predictions are less positive. According to the Enjin coin price prediction by Digital Coin Price, the average ENJ price will be at US $0.89 in 2025 and is predicted to drop to US $0.81 in 2026. By 2027, the average price will be at US $1.13 and rise to US $2.10 in 2030. This must have given you some idea about Enjin. So that's all for today's video, guys. Hope you liked it. Make sure to give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Until then, peace out.